Scott has been automating processes globally. In 2009, Darren Verrall asked Scotts to install Australia's first lamb X-ray Primal system. Since that first installation in 2009, Darren and his company have continued the journey by installing a middle machine. The benefit to ALC of the X-ray Primal middle machine is increased accuracy, which results in increased yield.
As a medium-sized lamb processor, we felt that we needed to do something different to stay alive in the industry. This was a huge step for us as a business, and without the support of MLA to get us over the line as well, it probably would never have happened. So it's something that we felt we needed to do. We needed to be progressive. We needed to do something different to what everybody else was doing. We have huge pickups with occupational health and safety, training, cutting lines and yields, along with customer satisfaction that all our cuts are going to be what they want every time that they order product from us. We're always getting our 8-rib rack and our 4-rib shoulder, and our cutting lines on our legs are where we need them to be because we're not guessing anymore. We know where that animal needs to be processed and cut.
Opening a carton of meat, it's taken away a lot of the surprises that you can get, especially for an example on lamb racks. Every single rack that we're packing into a box is a nice solid 8-rib square presentation, and a lot of our customers have commented that it has actually picked up in that area. One of the big retailers that we're dealing with in the US market, he called us about 2 months after we had started using the machine, and his comment to me was, "I don't know what you guys are doing, but keep doing it because it's great."
To achieve maximum yield, it is critical that every carcass is X-rayed. Having X-rayed every carcass, the next critical step is to ensure that you cut the carcass at the correct cutting lines. This is achieved in the Primal system, where the forequarter and the hindquarter are removed from the middle section. The next critical cutting lines is the rack and loin cut, and this occurs in the middle machine. The middle segregates the rack and the loin into their components, removes the flaps, and then develops a chine and feather off rack. The installation here at Sunshine has been a success for both ALC and Scotts, and this is evidenced by ALC installing a second system on their sister site.
We've already installed a second Primal cutter into our Colac plant. We've just put in an order for a Leap 4 into that plant also, so we'll be replicating what we have here in Melbourne in Colac, and that's the belief that myself and our company has in the system, and we want to continue on with what we're doing. And we were able to now hit whatever we set the machine at, 6.5 a minute, 7 a minute, whatever we like to set it at, gives us that constant flow and that constant throughput, which also enables us to do better cutting lines, better yields off our trimmers, along with customer satisfaction that all our cuts are going to be what they want every time that they order product from us.